Now that we have seen explanations and demonstrations about strengthening and hardening your organization's security posture with various capabilities of threat and vulnerability management features and attack surface reduction features of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution, it is time that we explain how Microsoft Defender for Endpoint next generation protection capabilities help you to strengthen and harden your organization's security posture. As we should know by now, one of the most significant capabilities of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint next generation protection includes real-time antivirus protection, which means not having Microsoft Defender for Endpoint antivirus in active mode on machines means that many Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solutions features will be missed. For example, automatic post-ransomware file recovery, specific IP addresses or URLs, or file blocking, audit events will be missed as well, which means some endpoint detection and response features will be missed, which could be of a significant impact since endpoint detection and response is first in service adoption order, as we know, and therefore is very important. To focus on connection of next generation protection with strengthening and hardening your organization's security posture, let's mention that, for example, attack surface reduction rules and network protection, on which we focused in one of the previous videos, are directly dependent on real-time protection capability, which means you need Microsoft Defender for Endpoint antivirus in active mode on machines to be able to apply attack surface reduction rules and network protection. Everything that in its background requires some kind of blocking certain things eventually needs Microsoft Defender for Endpoint antivirus in active mode on machines, since it needs recent informations from machines to be able to execute blocking actions correctly. We can conclude that next generation protection capabilities needs to be enabled in order for you to use full scope of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint solution and its features that refer on strengthening and hardening your organization's security posture. So to be able to use capabilities showed in previous videos of this section, you need to make sure that Microsoft Defender for Endpoint antivirus is in active mode on your machines, and some other things related to Microsoft Defender for Endpoint antivirus as well. For example, you need to make sure that it is allowed to scan targeted instances on machines. You need to check possible scanning frequency changes and more. And that's it for this lesson. In next and last video of 5th module, we will summarize everything we have learned in module 5.